Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to make function decorators and chain them together. So without further wasting time, let's get started. So if you do not know what a decorator is, it's basically a wrapper that can be used over a function and that can change the properties of a return type of a function. So for example, let's try to understand this test case where we have been given the input of a person's name using a function call, and then we want to change it to the given output, that is hi the person's name, which in this case is hi Ramesh, and then how are you. So basically we will learn how to do this using wrappers or decorators. So first thing is, let me create something called as a decorator function. So let me call it my dec, and this is now a decorator function. And this decorator function, what we will do is take another function as an argument. So let me call this as fn. Now this function will be the argument call that will be provided that we want to decorate. So basically we are creating a function and decorating it using another function, and that is given in the argument calls. So now within that, what I'm going to do is simply create another function called as a wrapper, and this will simply wrap the whole function around, that is the given requirement that we want. And this, in this case, in the arguments I'll put name because we will be providing the name. And now what I'm going to say is return hi space and concatenate the function call. Okay, and in the bracket obviously it will be name, and that's it. And now finally I will return the function, not the function call, I will return the function. So basically that will be used as an address point to this return value that we are obtaining. So let's try to understand this with the decorator. So to use a decorator, all we need to do is use the @ symbol and then call the decorator name, which in this case is called myDec. And now I'll define the function called as greet, and this greet takes in a name as an argument. And what this name will do is, in this case we are simply going to return the name. Okay, and now let me call the print statement, and in that I will call my greet function, and let's say I want to greet the person named Ramesh. And if I run this, as you can see, all I'm doing is I'm just saying greet and calling the person's name, and it says hi Ramesh. And the reason this is happening is, even though we are not returning any hi print statement over here, because we make use of the decorator function, it simply wraps that data that is provided in the name argument and then returns its address point. And we are obtaining this address point and printing it on the output window. So basically decorators are really useful when you want to smartly update the data that you have been given around to work with. Now let me create another decorator function. So basically we will see now how to chain decorating functions. So I'll call it myDec2, and again I'll take a function as an argument, and then I will create a wrapper, and this wrapper will obviously take in a name as an argument. And now what I'll do is, first thing I'll return the function's name, and then after that I'll concatenate a string saying that space comma how are you, and that's pretty much simple. Now what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to call the myDecorator function so that the hi is visible, and after that I will call the myDecorator2 decorating function that will give how are you as the output declaration. So let me do that, and I'll say myDec2, and now let me simply run this program, and obviously it gives me a weird error as an output because I did not first of all return the function. So I need to return wrapper, and here I had to put myDecorator2, and if I run this on the output window, it's clearly visible saying that hi Ramesh, how are you. So I can also change this name to my own name, that is Carl, and if I run this, it simply says hi Carl, how are you. So basically first thing what we learned is creating a decorator function. So a decorator function first thing takes in the function as the call, and then we create a new function within the function creation, and there we try to concatenate certain data that we want as the output, and then we return that function address output point so that that can be used as a decorator. So that's it from this quick video where we've seen how to chain decorated functions. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.